Yeah, that's a great question. When you do amend those, again, I would always amend on top, let them soak in. A good alternative to the green sand, because that's going to be pretty good mineral base. So you're getting your magnesium, manganese, boron, copper, that sort of thing. Azomite is probably going to be your next best choice. Azomite does have all of the minerals in it, but it's also very high in silica, which is going to help the overall plant health. Um, if you're wanting just to compost in place and grow your own, I would say do a combination of comfrey, which is your minerals, Mexican sunflower, or just grass from your yard is really good when it's green. Never Mexican sunflower when it's brown because it'll root in everywhere. So we always do Mexican sunflower when it's green. And honestly, bamboo. I'm a massive bamboo fan. Not all bamboos are runners. When I came from the Midwest, I thought all bamboo will spread into eternity and take over the entire planet like an alien, and they don't. In Florida, I have a friend who's in her 90s, 92, 94. She has lost track, so I don't feel bad that I don't know how old she is. And she has a clump of bamboo that is over 70 years old, and it is only 12 feet across, and it literally stays that big. So bamboo to me is a great choice for building structures, for wind hedges, frost protection, y'all. Phenomenal to protect your trees. Some of my most sensitive trees were about 20 feet away from a bamboo hedge, protecting them on the north and the east side, and they did not even bat an eye. Bamboo leaves are very high in silica. So families, here's how you use that. If you're doing a collagen supplement to rebuild skin, hair, nails, for joint health, collagen is very poorly absorbed by the body unless you have silica. Silica is like the Uber driver that delivers the collagen to the cells of the body. So if you're taking collagen, you probably have very expensive excrement that's coming out of your body unless you have that silica. Here's where bamboo comes in. It's the highest plant in silica that grows in existence. And bamboo, all you have to do is take the leaves and you heat them in water, like you boil them, that releases the silica. It doesn't do it in cold water. There's zero flavor. So you could do this in macaroni water when the macaroni water is coming to a boil, and all of that silica and minerals go into your macaroni water, your rice water, your pasta water. You literally don't taste it at all, and you get all the silica. Think about it in soups and stews in your Instapot. You put it in just like a bay leaf. You know, you're not going to taste bay. Bay changes the fats from a monounsaturated fat into a triglyceride fat. You don't taste bay leaf, but it changes the fat content of that. So the bamboo leaves, very similarly, that's not giving you flavor. It's giving you the silica and minerals. It's an easy one if you're doing Kool-Aid, if you're doing Roselle tea, when you're heating up the Roselle hibiscus, if you're doing you can put it in your coffee machine, like one leaf in your coffee machine. It has no flavor. So it's an easy one to add in. What's that? Any bamboo is edible, it is medicinal, it's usable in the same way, with one exception, which is so easy to identify. It's the lucky bamboo at Chinese restaurants. So that weird one that they shape in spirals, it's actually not even a bamboo. That's a total myth. So it's a grass that looks like a bamboo, but every other bamboo, the Dendrocalamus species, the Bambusa species, they're all used in the same way. Everyone. There's no poisonous lookalikes for bamboo.